What's going on, guys? It's your boy Julius with Xclusive, back at it with another one. And before we get into Project Gsxr, I just want to say thank you to all my day one. You guys are my day one. I got 35 subscribers. So you guys, since I'm only 3 videos in right now, so you guys are considered my day ones. All my subscribers, my viewers, I appreciate it. Please continue to watch. And if this is your first time to the channel, please like, subscribe, share, and comment on any video you can. If you don't have the time for it, pull it up on all your devices, just hit play and go do it else. Alright, go do whatever you gotta do. So also, as I do this, I am getting better, but I am new to this entire video recording and editing equipment. So every time I do it, I'm getting better, but unfortunately these next video or 2 are going to be recorded on old equipment, so I don't have the setup that I would like, but I do have my new equipment, and my videos after this will be set up for 4K, time-lapse, all that stuff. I'm trying to be real professional for you guys and bring you guys excellent content. I appreciate it. Keep watching, and let's get to the video. Have a good one, y'all. I just want to get a quick shot of it, and it's time to get these plastics off and get this project on the go. I got all the fairings off today. I've got the gas tank off. I've got the intake off. Tail lights off. Pretty much good to go for the next step. I ran into a little problem. I had a screw that was stripped on the fairing all the way down here, and it actually proved to be a little difficult to come out. Not where I thought I would have a problem at today. Didn't think that was going to be an issue, but hey. Back at it again today, guys. As you can see, my front end is gone. I had to take off more stuff than I actually expected to take off. The more I looked at it, the more I realized that it was going to be pretty in-depth. I'm working on taking the exhaust off today. I'm going to be disconnecting this wiring harness. As I'm disconnecting this wiring harness, I've got some little makeshift labels. I've got some things that were already unplugged, like this one and this one, that I honestly don't even know what they go to. So yeah, that's one thing that I'm dealing with. Other than that, everything seems to be pretty good. Moving along. Like I said, I am learning this thing as I go. I have never done this before. I've never even had a bike stripped this low before. So we will see how this works out. And when I put the new one in, hopefully it starts right up. Alright, so here goes the bike again. Radiator is gone. Exhaust is gone. There goes my pile of ish. Now I just gotta come in here. I gotta label all of these injector, these injector plugs. It looks like it's dual injector, top and bottom. So I will be labeling all of that. Clutch cable is disconnected, and yeah, that's all I can see right now. Hopefully soon I'll have this engine dropped out. I looked at these sockets here for, I think this is the only one holding the engine. I could be completely wrong. Let's take a look. This one looks like it holds on to the swing arm. Oh, I got one down here. That one's definitely holding on to the engine. So I've got these 2 screws. Hopefully I have the tools I need to make that happen and drop this engine out. all stripped out, guys. Man, I can't believe I really just did that. As you see the engine sitting back there in the background. So yeah, end of the video. Appreciate you guys following it. Next, we will be getting this engine in. It's gonna be a little bit slow. Like I said, I have to buy some things. I have to see what I need, see what's missing. I've got some screws that are stripped that I have to go order tomorrow because it's Sunday and nothing is open. But yeah, so yeah, see you guys later. Project Gsxr, 600 to a 750 motor swap. Later.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Built Not Bought with Project Gsxr. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And also don't forget to follow me on my other social medias. You can search me at Xclusive Motorz on Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram.